So we have our back piece of our Mother's Day shelf right here. This is the part that's going to go on the wall. It will have a couple of shaker pegs into it, and it will also have two mounting holes where we're going to take some drywall screws and mount it to the wall. We want to catch the studs in the back of the wall, so we want our mounting holes to be 16 inches apart. In order to do that, we're going to center it up on this. We're going to measure this back piece. Happens to measure 20 inches. Half of 20 inches is 10. Since I want to be 16 inches apart, I'm going to draw a nice light line here. And half of 16 is 8, so I'm going to go 8 inches this way and 8 inches this way. So we'll put this right here on the number 10. We're going to add 8 inches. And we're going to subtract 8 inches. I'm going to confirm that from this line here to this line here is 16, which it is. We're going to take our square, draw a nice light line. The only person that needs to see that line is me. We can sand it off easy later on. Now we want to center it in between these two pieces right here. Measures 2 1/2. 2 1/2. Half of 2 is 1. Half of a half. What do we do to find the center of a fraction? Yeah, double the denominator. So what's double the number 2? Yeah, so it's a quarter. Half of 2 1/2 is 1 1/4, because half of 2 is 1, half of a half is a quarter. 1 1/4. 1 1/4. Put my safety glasses on. Grab my scratch awl. And we're going to put a nice little center punch hole right there. Now I don't have to hit this hard because this spine is soft. And we're going to drill a hole here and a hole here at our drill press. All right. In our drill bit, we'll find the center of that hole nice and easily. Now I've had this drill press set up so we stop right here, so you don't have to worry about going too far down through. It stops. Let's take a look. That's nice and beautiful. Let's come back over here to the table. We're going to confirm that our screw would fit down through the hole. It does, but it sticks up a little bit. So we're going to have to go ahead and countersink that. So we'll take our countersink right here. We'll go a little bit to where we think the head will fit in. Close. We don't want to go too far. Boy, I'm kind of liking that. Looks like a dinner pea would sit right down in there. Yes, sir, Bob, look at that. Perfectly below flush. Outstanding. That's all there is to it. So we're going to get this piece here done, and we'll be in great shape.